In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate working hours in MS Excel. If you need to find the number of hours worked between a start time and an end time, Excel makes this very simple. In this example, we're just subtracting the start time from the later time, so Excel can return the total time worked. This is a useful method for timesheets, attendance trackers, or any worksheet where you need to measure time accurately. To begin, click in the cell where you want the result to appear. This is important because this cell will display the calculated working hours. It's usually best to place the result in the same row as the start and end times so your sheet stays organized and easy to read. Next, type an equal sign. In Excel, the equal sign tells the program that you're about to enter a formula. After typing it, click on the cell that contains the later time value, which is typically your end time. By selecting the later time first, you're setting up the formula to calculate the elapsed time correctly. After that, type a minus sign. Since we want to subtract the starting time from the ending time, the minus sign is what tells Excel to perform that calculation. Once you've entered the minus sign, click the cell that contains the time logged under Start Work. At this point, your formula is complete. End time minus start time. Now press Enter and Excel will immediately show the result in the selected cell. That result represents the total working hours between the two time values you selected. If the result looks unusual, such as a decimal or a time format you weren't expecting, that usually means the cell format may need adjustment. In many cases, formatting the result cell as time will help display the value more clearly. Also, make sure both your start and end entries are recognized by Excel as actual time values and not plain text. Otherwise, the formula may not work properly. This method is quick, clean, and perfect for basic work hour calculations. Once you've done it once, you can easily repeat the same approach for other rows in your spreadsheet to calculate hours for multiple days or employees. Just remember the simple structure. Click the result cell, enter the equal sign, select the later time, type a minus sign, select the start time, and press Enter. And that's how to calculate working hours in MS Excel.